Hey guys, how's it going and Happy New Year! I wanted to talk about some of the new tools that I got to help improve the YouTube channel. If you're like me, you probably stayed up all night last night, so I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. So one of the big things that I got was this book called YouTube Secrets. This book was written by the owners of another YouTube channel called Video Influencers. I'll leave a link down in the description to their channel. They've got some really good content on starting a YouTube channel, helping it grow, and tips and tricks. And so I've been studying out of this book. I've actually finished reading it all the way through, but I'm going to go back and study it more in depth now. And hopefully this will help build the community of the YouTube channel and help me produce some more quality content for you guys. And so I'll also leave a link to this book down in the description of the video. And so another thing I wanted to talk about is this Ifixit ProTech Toolkit. Since I really enjoy technology and learning how it works, this provides a lot of the tools that I would need for disassembling electronics and other things. Hopefully I should be able to use this in future videos. And since I want to start doing some technology related videos, hopefully I should be able to get a lot of use out of it. And so the last thing I wanted to talk about is this speaker. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker called the Uns Angle 3. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Basically, it works really well for bringing with you anywhere you go. It's got pretty good battery life. I've been using it the past few days. I was able to use it at a gaming party that I was hosting the other day. And so I'll go ahead and give you guys a demonstration of how loud it can be. Alright, so I've got it hooked up to my phone using Bluetooth, and so I'm going to slowly back up and make it louder as I go. So hopefully you guys can still hear it from there. It can be quite loud, so it's pretty good for parties and stuff. I'll go ahead and come sit back down. So far I've been really happy with that speaker. I would definitely recommend it. And again, it's the Uns Angle 3. I'll leave a link in the description. And I think that's it for this video. If you guys are looking forward to future content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of future videos. Make sure to leave a like on the video if you want to show your support for this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.